Hello friends, welcome to the Succulent Advisor. Succulents are a popular choice for a house plant. The fact that they are so hardy and do not need much care make them an excellent choice. One of the more common problem of a succulent is a etiolation caused by lack of light, which result in a leggy succulent with a longer stem, paler and less condensed leaves. Succulent growing tall or stretched out succulent are warning sign, and there are plenty of a way to fix the plant before things get worse. Here's everything you need to know about etiolation. Main difference between etiolation and healthy growth. While etiolation can be common, it is important to distinguish between etiolation and healthy growth of a succulent. The easiest way to differentiate them is to look at the color and the space between the leaves. A healthy succulent will have a more condensed leaves and vibrant color. For a colorful succulent, dark green leaves are also considered healthy. Only fading or paler leaves will be considered unhealthy. What is etiolation? Etiolation by dictionary term is a pathological condition of plants that grow in a place that provide insufficient light, as under stones. It is characterized by stretched stem, weak growth and pale color due to lack of chlorophyll. What causes succulent etiolation? Succulent stretch for one main reason, lack of light. It seems simple really. The first thing that happens is your succulent will gradually bend toward the light. This is the first sign that stretching is inevitable. Etiolation is usually a shingle of light deprivation, but it can be about temperature and the amount of light and water a succulent receives. If the plant is kept warmer than a regular water plant without enough light will also stretch, as the plant was tricked into thinking it is a growing season, resulting in a new growth searching for a light. While at the same temperature with less watering, the plant still stretch out new growth and take moisture from older leaves and stem, leading to unhealthier and rough looking plant. Thus, a temporary solution for a succulent growing tall and stretching is to keep your plant in a cool temperature with much less watering. This will trick the plant into thinking it is a dormant season and it will stop new growth. Succulent light requirements. This planter is sitting in a southeastern facing window. It is watered lightly every 1 to 2 weeks with the rest of my plants. How to fix succulent etiolation? When a succulent is stretched out, there is no going back. The succulent would not revert back to looking the same as before etiolation. A few adjustments would bring the plant back to health, but essentially, if you would like to have a better looking plant, then there are a few things you can do to fix it. It is the intuitive solution. However, your succulent need to be adjusted to brighter light gradually. Give them 30 minutes of more light per day, every third day, while keeping a close watch on them. If the plant seems stop to stretching but still have a few leaves pointing down, continue to add more light until the plant stops showing sign of stress. Meanwhile, if the leaves show brown spot, it means the plant is sunburnt and the adjustment is too quick for the plant to adapt. Thus, slowing down the process should solve the issue. If your plants are indoor without much chance to getting more sunlight, consider using a grow light to give your succulent the light they need. After nursing the plant back to its normal health and making sure it is getting adequate sunlight, if for ethical reason you still want to fix the plant, then you could cut the etiolated part and start to grow a new plant from that cutting. The cutting should start to grow roots within 2 to 3 weeks, and the original base plant also will grow new offshoot from the cut off stem too. This way you can groom the new plants to grow properly and even get more plants from the old etiolated plant. If this video is really helpful for you, then like and share it. If you want to know more about succulent and its care, then please subscribe our channel.